Hello friends, this is Dharminder, Senior Security Engineer at F5 SIRT. Today I'll show you how you can find the top Docker IP addresses from a PCAP file, and for that I'm going to use tshark and some other commands. So the combination of all those commands will give you the output. So let's quickly go to the terminal and we'll see how we can do that. So I already have a PCAP file, so I'm going to read it. Okay, then I'll filter only the source IP addresses. Okay, like this you can see all the source IP addresses, and then we are going to sort it. Okay, and then we'll find only unique IP addresses, and then we are going to reverse that so that it will give us the correct output. So now you can see the IP addresses, and you can see the count of each IP address, right? How many times that particular IP address was there in the PCAP file. Okay. Now I don't have much data, right? That's why you are seeing only a few IP addresses. But in case your data is huge and you want to see only top 10 or top 20 IP addresses, for that you can add head to this command, and then so 10 is the number, like top 10, and if you want top 20 or 30, you can change this value as per your requirement. Okay. And then you will see all the output. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you will like it. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.